Guys, in this video we're going to look at what's possible with Notion automations, and this time we're looking at how to create a contract with Google Docs and Notion automations. So what we have here is a database. It's called onboarding story. So what happens, someone fills out a form and then our customer's name and the address lands in this database. And as you can see in our Google Drive folder, there is no document called contract yet for this company, but there's a contract template. And the contract template is just like a bit of legal stuff with those placeholders for the name of the company, the address, and again the name of the company. And if we now click on create contract, a automation runs. And if we now go back into our Drive, in our Drive folder, we can see that the somewhere HG contract pops up. If we open it, we can see that it's the contract template, but filled out with the information from our Notion database. So we have the company name and we have the address and again the company name, which is really, really cool because we take those information from the database, run it through an automation, a webhook, through make.com, as you can see here, and then in the end we get this finished Google Docs document. So yeah, I hope this video gives you a bit of an inspiration for what is possible with Notion automations. This is a automation button which we are using, and it sends a webhook to make.com. So you need Notion, you need the make.com webhook, and you need a Google Docs template. If you're interested in going more into detail how this actually works, how you can build this one, check our Patreon or our YouTube channel, and you will find more information about this. But the purpose of this video is to just show you what is possible, and I think it's a really cool example about how useful those automations within Notion are. Thank you so much. Bye.